Hello students, how are you? Hope you are good and safe. Class prep, subject numbers, and the topic is heavier and lighter. Today our topic is heavier and lighter. Today we are going to learn about the compression between heavier and lighter. Now we will compare two objects. On the basis of their weight. When we have two objects and unequal weight, one object is lighter and the other one is heavier. One object is lighter and the other one is heavier. Now, look at this picture. These are two pictures of fruits. One is heavier and the other one is lighter. The watermelon is heavier than mango and the mango is lighter than a watermelon. See the next picture. The water bottle is heavier and the glass is lighter. The glass is lighter than a water bottle. The third one is the pencil is lighter and the book is heavier. The book is heavier than the pencil and the pencil is lighter than the book. And see the other picture. This is the picture of balloon and the brick. The brick is heavier and the balloon is lighter. And the balloon is lighter and the brick is heavier. This is your first activity. Circle the correct picture. First statement is, which picture is lighter? These are the three pictures and you have to circle the correct picture which is lighter. First one is balloon. The second one is ball. And the third one is apple. Which is the picture who is lighter than these pictures? The balloon is the lighter one. So you have to circle around this picture. The second statement is, which picture is heavier? The book, a pencil, or a brick? The brick is a heavier object than these two objects. The third statement is, which picture is lighter? A mango, stone, a watermelon. A mango is lighter than these two objects. This is your activity. This is your second activity. Do your home activity on your books and as well as in your copies. This which is on page number 12. ये आपको पेज नंबर 12 पे मिलेगा. आपने इस होमवर्क को आपने अपनी कॉपीज में भी करना है और बुक्स में भी करना है. Thank you. God bless you. Stay home. Stay blessed.